Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hillcrest, or near Rochelle, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Sycamore, Campton Hills, Genoa, South Elgin, North Aurora, Green Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Elburn, Cortland, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, Wayne, Valley View, Kirkland, and Maple Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather.